Hey, everybody, it's Conus here. Anyway, I'm going to make a video about my mother's car. I've been working on this for a while, by the way. She hated this hat. She's not here, so she can't tell me not to wear it. So anyway, this was her car. As some of you know, there was uh, hmm, things I don't want to talk about. But anyway, I've been doing some work on this. It came home to me, so I've been working on it. There we go. Okay, there we go. Replaced master cylinder, did some vacuum work, a lot of hoses, heater hoses over there. Got all that stuff replaced because it was not fantastic. Anyway, let's start it, or see if it'll start. No. Squeeze down in here because there is a right and wrong way to get in one of these. Door panel's out because I'm doing work to it. So, it's a carbureted car, so if you know anything about carbureted cars, you give it like 2-3 really good pumps before you even bother with starting it. And then it'll just do that every time. Not that. There we go. A little loud. It happens. Yeah. Anyway, it's going to do that for a while until it warms up, but I don't feel like messing with it. Anyway, it runs, it drives, it stops, steers, does everything it's supposed to do. It just needs tires. Anyway, that'll be the next thing on this agenda. Anyway, I hope y'all like this, and you know the routine. Since it's wintertime, y'all stay toasty, because I know I am. Bye.